Hi, Sam. Si nanay. Gawa kami ng vlog. Ang vlog na to ay para sa iyo.
Sana maintindihan mo. Kahit Tagalog doon.
This vlog is for the English.
English.
Sige. Ikaw magtaga, ako magtatagalog, ikaw mag-English.
Ano ba yan?
Bakit? Gusto mo ako mag-English?
Wala, natulog na si nanay.
So we're doing this vlog for you, Sam. So when you grow up, you know what dad
turn left
and
onto Fairfax
moms
Drive, then turn right onto Parkland
Are always
Drive.
up to.
Yeah. So this is what we're doing right now, and we're going to Lawrencetown Beach. Yeah.
Bili muna kaming kape.
We're
Turn
gonna buy
right onto
coffee.
Parkland Drive.
Alam mo kayo, I was thinking.
Wait.
You know what I was
In 300
thinking?
meters, turn left onto Lacewood Drive.
You know when you're making the children's song, Wheels on the Bus.
Wheels on the bus go round and round.
Maybe you can do it on your. Maybe you can do it. I can do it like on my own. Like Wheels.
Turn left
I can
onto
be like.
Lacewood
Who's
Drive.
that?
With Miss Rachel.
Oh, Miss Rachel. I can be.
Wheels on the bus go
Isipin mo pwede yung gano'n.
Continue on Lacewood Drive for 2 kilometers.
Oh my God.
Sam, if you are watching this and you're wondering where you are, here you are.
Hi, Sam. You're sleeping right now.
Hi, Sam.
Hello there. Nasa beach tayo. At magaling ka lumangoy paglaki mo. Mana ka sa tatay mo, naka sa lolo mo.
Ang lamig.
Patay na. Papaaraw tayo. Vitamin D na tatay. Pag pinanganak ka, tayo makakalabas. Kasi walang araw. Oo nga, no. Pag lumabas ka, winter. May yelo. Tayo makakagala. Ito pa rin naman pala pwedeng lumabas.
I-stroll tayo, Sam. Tayo sa Malago. Parang ganito. Ikaw, ako, at si Nainay lang.
Pag mga ano na, mga 3-4 months. Sakto kasi ano na
Pag
yun.
nakaganon niya na yung ulo niya. Huwag yung parang buyukot pa.
Hindi, wala pa winter yun eh. Mga spring or start ng summer tayo lalabas.
Ay, Sam. Dito pa rin lang natin. Ano yung point of view?
Well, umaya magkaiba na kami ng topic.
Pero masaya.
Kailangan natin ng vitamin D, anak.
Vitamin.
Swimming ka sa susunod. Sa summer. Swimming. Ay, swim well. Ay!
Hindi naka-record. Bakit nakatayo? Sayang, Abi. Ganun mo salita na.